I can't stay here longer. You cannot make me cry, so I leave you to wonder what will become of our lives. A solo heart fall apart, break and bleed, but you won't see. Tears won't fall, why pride stands tall. Maybe they can be heard or seen, but tears aren't quiet things, they scream. They scream. They scream. Though my throat is on fire, my eyes will be liars, and I try to stay drier until you turn away. A solo heart fall apart, break and bleed, but you won't see. Tears will fall, I hear them all, they scream. They scream. Not so silent and innocent as it rain from your fingerprints. Echoes, rivers of loneliness hitting the walls of my heart.